So this is our first module, guys. How did you find this entire part now? Anyone wants to share? How did you learn? What are the things that you learned today? And then maybe the next time we'll go into the next challenge where we will do the data manipulation, the entire data manipulation part. And anyhow, it is already recorded and available on the. So you need not to wait till the next session. You can do it right away. So anyone wants to share? Yeah, then you want to. You can unmute yourself. I think you're on mute.
Yeah, I just want to ask something.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you so much for showing the power of AI and this one in Power BI. So let's get to click the question answers button and then you have to put your question, right?
Yes, that's it. Nothing more than that. You have to just go to question and answer. So you go to the home, you go to the insert, you go to the Q&A, insert that particular module, and type everything whatever that you want of your database.
Okay.
Because if you let's say go to any other let's say ChatGPT, Copilot, you need to put the data, you need to show, or you need to ask something. Here in the Power BI itself, you need to ask. It is your personalized assistant. Like I'll show you again. Let me just share the screen. So you can see now. This is let's say I'll just write down delete again. So you go to insert, you go to Q&A, and now you can start asking whatever that you want. Let's say total sales. But you need to just remember that whenever you're writing this particular column names, the same column, like here it is a salesman, MAN, and if you're putting sales MEN, it might not be able to get you correctly, but it will ask you that are you asking about this? Let's say total salesmen. Now when I say total salesmen, it says 11. Even though it is I have given the wrong EN, it is giving correct answer as MN. But sometimes it might possible that it will give you wrong answer. So try to give as much as possible. If you're getting let's say some kind of error, might be possible that whatever the columns that you the names you might have given something wrong. Or maybe if it is a two similar column, like there is a salesman also, there is a salesman MEN also, and MN also, it might give you the wrong if you're not giving the correct prompt.
Okay.
Yeah. Total states. Let's say I'm asking you total states. So you can see there are total state 3. I'm asking you total quantities. So 124. And now you can see the total quantity which we have sold. Now you can see because this is a small Excel, we can calculate like total sum is 124. But if there is a database of 1 crore data, you will not be able to do so much of manipulation.
Right. So suppose I want to ask a question like how many headphones have been sold?
Yeah, you can ask that. How many headphones
have been sold by one of the salesmen? Any of them?
Let's say how many headphones sold. So there are total 5.
Yeah, by any so just name of the salesman.
Yeah, you can put that also. By let's say Jatan, let's example. It is showing the 5. Maybe we need to check it over here. So let's say so you can see so total headphones. Yeah, I think maybe the it is 13. Count is 5. So it is giving us count actually. Okay. Count of sales data. So we need to ask how many quantity, because we are asking about the quantity. So see, it is changed now.
Correct.
So sometimes you need to understand what kind of prompt you are giving, because it is similar to your ChatGPT, it is similar to your Copilot. You need to give the prompt properly to get the answers. So how many quantity of headphones sold by, let's say, sold. So it has got 13, right? By Jatin, let's say example Jatin. So it says
next one.
It's 1. Yeah. So you need to put it properly, or you can say how many quantity of, let's say, VI. Good. You can see 47. Now if you see over here, VI goods. Okay, now you can see total sold sale is 47.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean you need to.
So basically, the Power BI is the advanced version of Excel, and if you're bringing some data, it is analyzing it in your way.
Yes. And so this is just a 5% of the features that we have used right now. There are more than 70-75% of the features which I explain in the my videos. And apart from that, there are so many other features which are not explained in this particular course also, which you need to intuitively, whenever you start using it, you'll be able to use it more. Like if you see right now, let's say I'll just show you. Like there is this particular things are there, right? This particular cluster column that is there. Now if I go about doing general, there are so many things that I can change. Like I can do the padding, I can do the position change. There are responsive some, there is a maintain layer order. Then there is a title right now. Sum of sales is there, right? If I want to change, let's say text, I want to say sales data of S2S. Now you can see the sales data of S2S has been changed. Then I want to change the text color to, let's say, a dark blue. Now you can see it has become dark blue. If I want to put some background, I can put some background. Like I want to put the background of yellow color. I want to give the subtitle also, like sum of sales and all those things. So subtitle is turned on. If you want to change the subtitle, you can change the subtitle. Divider, if you want to put the divider also there. Then spacing, a lot of like, if you want to increase the spacing between label. So now you can see there is a increase in the label spacing. If I want to reduce, it will reduce.
It is just going on and on.
Yeah. So there are so many features there, which even if I start explaining, it will take months. But maybe all the features might not be useful. Like if you want to use the background color, like if you want to give light background color. Now you can see, I think you use some kind of color right in the background. Yeah. Then there is a visual border, like you want to give the visual border. Now you can see there is a border given. Yeah. So many things are there, which is like a intuitive. You can do on your own. You can change as much as possible. Yeah. Okay, great guys.